Good evening, welcome back to database experiment number 5, lab experiment. So last week we looked at set operations, advanced SQL. This week we'll go subquery and correlated subquery. So without wasting much time, we head on to the questions. The first question, I'm sorry, some of the questions are cut, but I'll endeavor to explain it. First question, retrieve the name of the customer who booked the car. This question is almost exactly as the other question, but using a query, using a subquery or a correlated subquery. So this is the first question. Okay. This will retrieve the name of the customers which booked the car. Okay, we have to open Oracle first. Okay. So the name of the customer who booked the car using subquery, the command is this select distinct. We want to print both the first name and the last name. Okay, as name from customer details cd where exist, select first name last name from customer details. Okay, so this is the subquery. Okay, where customer id is equal to this cd dot customer id. Okay, so if we copy this and paste and run it, we have the names. Okay, now the second question, display the details of car booking issued between 1st of January 2014 to 1st of December 2014. Okay, this is also a very easy query. Select star from car booking where booking date is greater than so date and booking date is less than 1st of January. If I copy this and paste it here, okay, the output is displayed. Okay, now the third question, display the name of the people who booked the luxury cars. Okay, this is a bit complex too. Not complex actually. Using subquery, you do exactly the same thing. I select first name concatenation. Okay, last name as name from customer details cd. Okay, is the variable of customer details where exists. I'm using where exists is correlated subquery. Okay, so correlated subquery uses this where exists. Select first name last name from car booking where customer id is equal to cd dot customer id, and we did in the first experiment. And then car id is equal to 101 or car id is equal to 105. Now you'll be wondering, why did I do, it said luxury car, I'm using 101 and 105. That's because in the details, cars that have 101 or 5, I'm going to show you something right now. In the details, cars that have, if I do a minute. Okay, so cars that are luxury car 101 and 105, that's exactly what we have, and car id is equal to 101 and 105. Okay, so if I run this, it displays, okay, the people that booked luxury car. Okay, now display the brand of the booked more than one car. There's there's an error in this question. I think this question is the same with the last question, which answers exactly the same thing. The name of the brand of the car which is used by the customer more than once. Okay, and that is easily handled with using a subquery. You select the car type as name of the car from the car details. Okay, c1, which is identifier, where 1 is less than the count. Okay, so 1 more than ones. Okay, so where 1 is less than, select count id from car booking b1 where car id is equal to. Okay, so this is how you used to know, okay, one that is booked more than once. Okay, so using the where 1 is less than the count of the number of times is booked, okay, you can get the car that is booked more than once. Okay, so this is a subquery, and BMW, Ford, and Swaraj is booked more than once. Okay, next question. Okay, list down the cost. Sorry, this is for next question is display the customer's name whose booking type is private and booking for Xylio. So this is also very easy using subquery, using correlated subquery. You can easily answer this question. Okay. Okay, so select first name, last name as name from customer details CD which exists. Okay, first of all you have to make sure that the customer IDs match. Okay, and then the car ID is 104. Okay, and the customer type is like private. Okay, so if I run this query, I have the answer. Alexander John. Okay, he's the guy that his booking type is private and booking for Xylio. Okay, now we have the complex ones. The sixth question, name the customer who has used all the cars. Now this is a bit complex, so what did we do? We created, okay, distinct name from the customer details. Okay, where not exists. Okay, so this is car ID from car details. Okay, minus, okay, minus car ID from car booking. Okay, now look at the question. The question says customer who has used all the cars. Okay, so what did we do? We got all the cars that exists in car details minus the cars that are in car booking. Okay, then it does not exist in this, so it means that this guy has used all the cars apart from the cars that are in car details. You get? Okay, does not exist in this. Okay, so yeah, this guy have used all the cars. So this is the code. Copy. Okay, so this Alexandria. Now the next question, name the car which is used by all the customers. This is just like an opposite of the previous question. Okay, and so this is the code or the SQL code. Okay, there's something I would like to show you guys here. Select car type. Okay, this is just opposite of this, of the first one. Select car type from car details where not exist. Select customer, all the customers and customer details minus the customers in the car booking table. Okay, where not exist, you get it. Okay, but if because of this table that we are given, we can't get it because there is no single car which is by all the customers here. So if you run this, you get, if you run this, you get no data. Okay, but if you update the table, okay, using this update car booking, set car ID, sorry, into 101. Yeah, customer ID is equal to 2. If you update this table, I think you, okay, if you update this, okay, so if you, so the car booking has been updated, and you can see that a particular car ID uses all, okay, is booked by all the customers. Okay, which is exactly what we are supposed to distance. So when we run this again, we get our answer BMW. Okay, now name the brand. This question has been answered before, so but you can, now that we have updated our table, it must have changed. Okay, using the same count that we used last time. Okay, paste. Okay, BMW and Swaraj. Okay, so currently with the updated table, the brand that is used by the customer more than once is BMW and Swaraj. Okay, thank you for joining me on the episode of our lab exercises. Have a nice day.